emphasis from Lawrence to Kufo. Now issue 40. Baku 40. From 2009 to 2016. Now issue 59.
Okay. 59.
59. Nature say, or at the 19 more.
And the
old one and no more issue. From 2017 to January 2025, 2,151 licenses. From 1988 up to 2016, Okani Nabuma 99. 99, this is 100. 1988 to 2016, no. Yes, you know, so power. My emphasis said 20 years. My emphasis said 20 years. Ebo, 99. Then, within a matter of 8 years, 2017 to 2025 January. There year 2,151. And these are the people shouting, just say, screaming, say, yes, you say, yeah. Who caused some? You see, these are the data we need to be speaking to. Because, Yanjanisa, Obo say, Obia wati baby I want tiasi no yaji omodi.
Yeah.
Over 20 years, 30 years, 99 licenses. Within 8 years of a particular government. 2,151. Now, sir, omu document bi ajapade eze. Oko kohwemu a companies are actually woman 334. 334 across the country. Baby, I see go do obiano. Sir, companies no ehyehe. They are 10 nearby Brebu be say, Wama, a galamsey, equine. Are we normal?
All right, Beneza Mokta, say, oh, message man can abebo me pay. Or some when you go to Seri bro sign, my name said Dini Menyan correct there. Bro sign. Or said there are 9 Chinese guys doing galamsey and some of our security personnel, like immigration and soldiers, police officers, go every month to collect money. Last week, police intentionally arrested 4 of them and collected 60,000 from each and allowed them to continue destroying the land. They are well protected. Ebenezer, our message I was send me screenshot it. Now me forward the animal 9 months of then they will take it up. Why? I don't have any evidence to their work, but I'm sure this will be intro.
Opa, ono area home.
Ono area home.
Opa, one send you the number private.
Me pacho na kebegwa me pa kwame inbox mu Facebook. Ebenezer na send me one number na me ne one chat direct. Na wo videos ne pictures I mean from 9 months for. We need to take it up as soon as possible. As soon as possible. Thank you very much. Okay, yen suda una demo. Commander.
Esro. Salam Mustafa na organizer. Ono ano wa fairly photo as youth organizer. Eti o PBB no dey agina so for re-election. Eti no mo ye na ye for. Esro no mo si akia abroye ye di na tu ye mani be eti e ba ko ye dem.
Ya che fancy comedy.
Ya yi na tu. Eti demonstration for them. Esro no na. You see? Every day na make say asem ewo hoi empenipa. Asem empenipa.
Nipa le pen.
Oh. Na me you see omo hu ban no omo nye demonstration wie. Omo wie a ora mo list of people mo ye a investigation who say be watertight. Start picking them. Iroko mo kita mo list. What we say that here, start picking them. Now you say almost right now, that's almost right now. Share, meeting. Because someone answers me can.
Yeah.
me free o ye betche me
sure
ye betche me hwe obi a wonye politician okoko ka asem a wo mo koche no gu ne handcuff politicians wo mo fa phone no mo afre we want to meet you ni I invite you no wako eno ne yahunahuna e di asem gra na yati hu hey ade NPP mo wadwuma ye ba o 9 months be ana mo started dem yi me Kwaku bie ehumbu kwato honom anytime bi o me bia no mabo
no achoro
mabo date no mabo title yi ka dey say the team of the demo
the press conference so aka ho ya chim
wo hu de che no na fe ye hwe baby o mbedu me say no amount of demo ebe magana for asesa o mo adwene 2028 no amount of demo because Ghana 40 krom ha Akufo Addo na ka say ye discuss so come dey period be na come dey Ghana for pa omo mo hwe yina nim o ti ase omo mo hwe yina enim se period a come dey Ghana for during Akufo Addo period except omo na omo say omo dey omo anya omo hotam ana omo no omo hukom so on dey eti say wo ti aban mu na especially wo position a emre bia wo hu sika ye chew sika wo ye yi ni ade a na Bernard ka say come dey na wonte na say da wonte na say because wo no amen wo misa wo kokra wo misa de no bo oh that is more $5 to go for all you say 5 we say you say 15,000 no what is kana de amano wonte ase na obi ko no ka say we ba ku eye can say 600 na wo hwe ne busumi akatua ye 2,000 and I say 1,500 each eje easy so on dey no eti wo mo expect kakra but in all no your more democratic right constitution has stated clearly so be our freedom of expression freedom of movement freedom to demonstrate in the kakeka ho ni nyina our constitution mu it would decide this over demonstrate here I mean that NPP for Nagaza you see I na me pese me kan yi bia almost be fa ba bia film no mo dia
I don't be so answer
me ana me say I saw mo we 4 elections omo be we sa 4 answer Yankopon be bie kwa mo ba bia mu a omo timaba Omo first one 2024 2028 ombelusu 2032 ombelusu 2036 ombelusu ombeba power ni ehwe 2040 honomoko wo hu de no enye se ye de ya no na e kan keke wo Ghana fo hu se NPP fo omo amoman hwese President Mahama say kejetia na omuko ejom NPP ni bi ko akoye ejom ma ni interview oh da bi anya Mahama si ye eye Kufo ni si ye Kufo free aban mu kejetia na teche mu ne na mu ho na ye lorry station o baby ye si market na lorry station wo ko sunwane wo ko he ho na kwa faka na ya teche mu eso wo se ne omu brainwash wo mo no
obi ko abeka chem se Krofro market President Mahama bra wo bre obesi awi o beka kire o se Kufo
anu kra de anya problem ye ka se Kufo de si abi anya problem what you say ana me nya kwanya sha President Mahama beka se Krofro market no wi a wo kwa commission
e so ofre Kufo
wo ne Kufo ko ba Kufo kra na nso adinu mu fa ntwa na pipi fo hu se ne tie se Kufo asi ade asi ho no mo afura aban mu Akufo Addo betena so 8 years wan fa din sanka mo sori aboje odo Kufo se me ne Kufo adwuma ye ba me adwuma ban ne Kufo sha se nyina wanwie se wia hospital Afriyie fa nyina wanye Krofro market wanye ye ka say sofo line wanti ba nye eti di asem na wotie again di asem ada wo kai na eye mede at least me ne minister ba ko mienu bi adi nkomo a say President Mahama direct almost strictly say project se kosu nyina so obuwie and so man start a new one eti President Mahama enwie the term no Ghana for be who the difference eti difference no ba adetire some go famo e ba na mo sabe mess up no you kwa sister gold about see TV so hey wo metima ma obi metima ye say no asisa gold aguso o forest na wa say no e dem akogina so ho say den and then mo say mo ye demonstration omuja abroje wo hu ne first year wa ye no so what in some no you dey mun sro hu na mo dey mun koso na modern street no so no mo pa ma mo nimra no so baby a police force bofa no mo pa ma mo mfa ho na mo kofa baby fufuro na mo hwe se ahunahuna no mo besura na se mo nsuro se bi dey kaka no
Bernard
Mami, yeah. I have not seen so be a cheche koko.
Oh dear.
Hey. Unfortunately,
the chief organizer.
Unfortunately, chief you.
Any demonstration would have been a mona. Now that one to be demonstration. And you have demonstrations be AC or Maimu.
Now won't come on dear.
Almost it's no demonstration. Sana NPP first Roy. Salam Munina, Muchroy at the farm so. And now Mokoy demonstration. Can you mammy probably demonstration?
Hey, nice. The money get the
Those that said that there cannot be proper demonstration in this country without Bernard Mona. Yeah. Today there is a demonstration that I don't even know about. And a demonstration you say where is room no.
Yeah.
Now when the one who nipa about my mo NPP for. Why?
Oh God.
Minty. Police commanders have been shifted and transferred because Medin Miremu Ewie. And all the time, I talk about Idi Lanza.
Yeah.
No, a greater Accra regional commander of police.
Fantastic guy.
Na ya bibia, and we gave them about 21 days notification to our event. Ya no omashishe bibia mu abeba bedru time no 11. Mo say dabi ma mo maye kwan e maye ye demonstration. And papa no say, "She, where am I going to stand? Law no krampo no, me kokota. Judge no be bisa me nsema. I will not be able to answer."
Yeah.
Into Mumma Yanko di Omochi. They wrote me a letter. In fact, Omoko court. Omoko court, no. Baby, and I, yes, ye park ye protest, no. Almost say that we may uncover. Meanwhile, we had already accepted with them. Na any by a first at the Lampak. Into Mika say, Niamodi Moko court, Amokoji, no. It's not applying to me. I'm not at the place you have said we should not be. Into Papai e buy. Na yete Ketesu, and Omnuso Betinasi. So that he can talk with us to see the police as part of us. Because of that, the man was transferred as Greater Accra Regional Commander. Not only did you huna young protesters, no, but you huna the police officers. and then one night say a demonstration. You thought that we were at Ghana, no. More dear, move to a demonstration. So you and we are at Ghana for. I support everybody and your right to protest. It's guaranteed in the Constitution. In fact, it's a fundamental human right. The right to disagree and the right to protest. It is a yes, our demonstrations here. It is not because you hate Ghana. In fact, most of the demonstrations, that are now that's what NPP.
Yeah.
It has to do with legal education in this country. Legal education. So okay.
Yeah.
And as students see, law students see, Oma cultural exams, Oma pass, but Ghana Law School say Omuntimi informal.
When you have why?
Almost say Omuntimi informal. A chunk of them who even pass no Omuntimi enco school.
Yeah.
Inti Nkrofo say Omoko protester. And Oma friend me say member come
wow.
Into a court protest, no, I was not leading. In fact, media no ba no mo pese money men kasa na ma chire the student leadership. Say money o monko kasa so that it doesn't take away the purpose.
Yeah.
Police came and stationed at Afriyie. Yeba ebe fa Thomas Sankara interchange, most of them say Akwaje interchange. Na immigration side no police at the water tanks abe block it. From the Afriyie side, no ma block it. And we are on top of the interchange. What were they trying to do? To murder us. Because omobure efi echi any enimno.
Yeah.
What were we supposed to do? To jump out of the interchange. So you jump and fall down and die.
And die.
Murderers are calling people not to intimidate them. Modiano na ye murderers. And then we see they are intimidating you. Eno nyabone. Na mo pe ekunipa no. What do we say about you? In fact, yes, I know that time I was nurturing a hip problem.
Okay.
Into police in Edimechi, my boys had to be pushing me at a point. They carried me to run. Into here, Kono, na police no edna vac office honmono. They were shooting. Into enemy catch the leadership. They say, this is Canada Embassy, High Commission. Canada. Canada, hono. It is no more Ghana land. It is Ghana.
More Canada.
Wow. Student protest. No, those who participated in the protest. No, the Canadian High Commission say we want to present a petition to the government of Ghana, and they will not take it. Into Canada, Monje Namonkofama, the president of the Republic of Ghana. That is what we went through, and the frontiers of legal education has been expanded. Call law school. Work law school. Or more, they have benefited from it, and they are lawyers. No? Am I one of them?
No.
Majority of them will come and be attacking me or even doing cases against me. I wish them well in their demonstration. I just hope that the police doesn't do what they were doing against Yang when Nana Akufo Addo was in government. Let the police of today act professionally and protect the lives of all the protesters. Protest is a right that anybody can embark on. And so let them do it. Let the police be measured in their brutalization of citizens. Don't do that. I will never ask that police should brutalize anybody because say Omoka Kwaye a demonstration. So Mustafa, salam.
Remember, NPP Lusua over offered it
Salam.
Bengazi debi no ye you. We are your patch.
Why 2024?
Me na make out no. Me say Enediano Bernard Mona is not even informed.
Like you are not even aware.
I'm not aware. And it is a demonstration. And you wrote that now demonstration with that Ben Mona, now that one to be demonstration. Until this one that I'm not even aware. Now this one to be demonstration. Name wo Wagadogo. On say you were a sporting club. Calibi Sporting Club. And the Alliance for Sahel States.
Oh, okay. I think now we can watch them. Okay.
The 3 countries. Almost Ashia.
Oh, into Burkina Sem now okay.
Burkina.
Okay. Wagadugu de Burkina.
Into Yakodruho. Ghana was the only country invited.
Oh, okay.
And like I said, because President John Dramani Mahama inspired a certain leadership of the sub-region. Until say Yanum Omutimi Kojina America, no maka say Burkina Faso akofa rebels aba so that they can destabilize Ghana. President Mahama etimi who say the Burkinabes are partly Ghanaians.
Okay.
Onim say yawa Dagara ewa Ghana ha. And we have Dagara community in Burkina Faso. In fact, the Dagara population in Burkina Faso no eno na yekase. Enti omuka yekasano.
Okay.
And over the weekend, whilst the Ghana embassy was receiving us, most Dagara people, including MPs, omufi hameli hono, and omukrosi eba, omubusia eye. So the Ghana embassy was so busy. So obeko akoshomo. Nti yefa under 17 volleyball team if Ghana at the Koye for the competition.
Okay.
And God been so good. The two teams, that is the male and the female team, won the gold.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wow, congratulations.
First edition of the tournament, an invited country goes to pick it.
Okay.
And yeah, Bano and Burkina Faso, no, say I'm not a very good friend. So my friend Abo Mufie and I mean
now what's up show mo?
Masa Besho ma Mafa Bibiako and I make a say, well, President Mahama is not like me. Inka, I would have added Burkina Faso to Ghana.
To Ghana.
So that would become one country. The reason why we took all the trophies. But and then Adakasi Emma volleyball in West Africa. And then the Ghana Volleyball Federation, the Ministry of Sports and Recreation, will be launching the Zone 3 Club Championship to be hosted in Accra from 1st March to 8th March 2026.
Okay.
But Ena is the first edition. The Chief of Staff, the Minister for Sports and Recreation, the President of the CAVB Zone 3, that is Prince Ali Yaro from Benin, and on the Vice, Omunyina Eba. The President of the Ghana Volleyball Federation will be there. And I Meswa Midi Kalibi Sporting Club in Inus.
Yeah.
Meso almost say I have to come and make a statement because these things are very important for them. At the La Palm Royal Beach Hotel at Daikasi Hall.
Okay.
And then Anopa.
Anopa. Okay.
And that program they say and here at 10 o'clock. But Minister say Yanchi and Kwenim Kakrama.
Okay.
So that he will be able to participate.
Yeah.
Because some of your budget here in Anopa. Okay. Say 11:30.
Okay.
Enti na metimi aba program we.
Yes, I can never ntimi ama.
And nyina wo frame no one say me ni aye.
When you koko.
I was doing organization, receiving guests, planning up and down. And the biggest festival or sports event within the Zone 3 West Africa will be hosted in Ghana 2026. And today is the launch of the event. In Tuba, Enije Kesie Ebeba, as all these galaxies, Omuya, Wachina, Omobaka Koya inspect facilities to check our preparedness, what facilities I say Yamfankaho. Then somewhere December they will come say they should add their names, and I have to commend Gold Board led by Sammy Gyamfi, commend Bust led by Afechi Awuno, the Chief of Staff Office, and in particular the Special Envoy to the Sahel states. Say Omehu said this is one of the biggest things that is coming to happen to Ghana, and they'll take it up. And as I told them, Ghana, we pride ourselves in the best cocoa. So cocoa board must come on board so that at least all the 24 teams, now 48, 24 for women, 24 for men, they will come here. All the teams can have some chocolate from Ghana to take. That is one way to be able to advertise Ghana chocolate to the rest of the sub-region. And then I'm looking forward to seeing the Chief of Staff, as he promised, the Minister for Sports and Recreation, and all the dignitaries. There's heads of security services in Ababa. When say Eba Sports is the security services that herald most of these sports, particularly the lesser appreciated sports. Man can say lesser known. I say lesser appreciated sports. To near Ebesi and Ewa Lapam Royal Beach and
Okay, Pike beko edinti ekwambia so no nyame ya adoma ochena anopa na se nwumre kura no obeti ho asem wo Accra 100.5 CTV NFA Class FM ye CMG platform sini nyina no Pike kwa update bia na Class FM online enso ho sese wadaroma or beko online so ama wenti wadaroma ya na eja wa follow na wonso watimi ahu update a ebeko so enne program no eso.
But besides me celebrate Sadan saying I left Burkina going to the Kwame Nkrumah Avenue. They have dedicated the major road in Burkina Faso to Kwame Nkrumah called the Kwame Nkrumah Avenue.
Oh, okay.
To make Koye Anopa. Then I went to make my libation there. Madame Fufo Bisami say enne the Founders Day of our nation. marking the birth of Kwame Nkrumah. That same day, me by Ghana, me by another movement for the liberation of Africa.
Okay.
Almost a year, almost conference on Kwame Nkrumah, his times and relevance. And I was one of the speakers. Make us and Munuena make us say, Yeka Kwame Nkrumah, we are not talking about material or fiscal development.
Sure.
Yanka Akoso Mbodam and Sam. And yen nuntina ye celebrate Kwame.
Yeah.
Yanka your friend is saying Atomic Energy Commission. Yanka the factories na Kwame Nkrumah SCC yano. Yanka tema motorway. Yanka the tema industrial community and many of the things he did. Sure. And yen nuntina we celebrate Kwame Nkrumah.
Yeah.
Enka ye nuntia sisi ano ukofa motorway. You will not be happy because the motorway is almost gone. And yes, sir. The factories, any industries, be our establishment. Yatong. So it will come a time you will not even remember that Ghana used to have its own factories to produce and Chebiano. We will destroy the Akosombo Dam because of our activities in gather and sell. Your friend galamsey, no. Akosombo Dam Kramponunso and Koho. So you come to a time you see that the water will not be suitable to produce electricity, and therefore you will not realize Kwame Nkrumah. But the Kwame Nkrumah asema, ye adwendwen nsem kese Kwame Nkrumah edi akire nsenke ye ne say Africa any Ghana be ye no. Eno ena odwen a you still ask yourself. Kwame Nkrumah ka say ye nyina yempe one currency. Na yemfa nye adwuma. Ntimi ko Burkina Faso ese. Na me see the kakra ewo me mu no. I had to convert it to safer.
Safer.
Me bano. Now I have to convert the safer back to CD. In the course of changing the currency from one end to the other, yeah.
Na so ete.
Usika no ekafam. But it's going down for the interest of the people who have created it. Entina, I told the people of Burkina Faso, Ameko Shiamo say, yes, I support the idea that ECOWAS has become irrelevant. Now, Mosumu Briki, forming the alliance of Sahel state. Now, more catching and say, Momonim Pese, you have anything to do with your colonial past. France, for no, Omonzi, Omonsa, and Fimon. But you are still using the currency created by France. Why are you not able to create the alliance own currency away from France? So that we know that you really mean it. Adenti, Yamakasa Semia, Adenti, and I see we are no more a colonized people, but we are using a colonized language.
Okay.
Adenti, Mona Mose Mon Pese Mon French for 1 year Jumabium, but French for Casa and a Modi year
Mugusuka.
How is that a liberation? Yeah, yeti hai. Yes, oh, you're English phobium. What is your common language? Brofu. So we are mentally and culturally colonized. And I may say, yeah, say ye pese ye bibi kesi enfi moi. It is your language.
Okay.
How many of us ebetimiaka ye kurum kasa, our native language, without say obetimiaka for English abefre frame? How many of us in Ghana?
Okay.
We don't understand. In fact, and you may be crampo ha. Yetiasia wa brofum by yentiasia
wa yekasem.
How can you progress? And in celebrating Kwame Nkrumah, we acknowledge the fact that Papayi, in the times of old, Africa should establish one common language. Na yemfa ya ankasa Africa kasa, emfa nye juma na yemfa ntumpom. And I say this all the time. You remember when I was running to become president? Mekase, when I become president, Twi and Hausa will become our languages. And then Nipa Bisa me say na ade na ufa Twi. And then Mekase menfa di hen. Say manfa Twi, which language should I pick? And Twi nkwa na ye language. And I say magietum. But Twi no, yanka say ye dia. Brofo na ye kano efihi. But ye nyina betimi Agyarko, or we have been forced to accept English. But we cannot force to speak one that belongs to us. It still goes to the question of attacking our mental rightness. ne ye de no yes dabi ye ko ho na twi no kura mpa na me bisa twi no I know 24 twi ne ye kan na akuapum twi ana Asante for twi bono twi. So even the tree has its own variations. And yes, sir. Yeah. But bottom line is that we must adopt one. If we cannot do that, but we are proud to be speaking English. Now, koka brofo na utia na yesreo.
Aye.
What does that mean?
Koka ukrom kasa na utindia eno enya hwe.
What do you say?
Oh, antini ukrom kasa o.
Enya hwe. Badoka brofu na uti pe.
Na utia.
Hey.
Na yesreo. Yeso grammar nye.
What do we eat grammar? Na ewiasi nyina bebi a wetime hu se omonuema ekoyie no. Ya measure those countries, they speak their own language. They use it as their way of educating, instructing and communicating. Cause Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Call Germany.
India.
Call India.
China.
Call China. Call Russia. Hefa, call Italy, call France. So those countries that use their own language, instructing and communicating and studying, yeah, look at their level.
Yeah.
They are going forward because onkoka GDP abra ontiase.
GDP one ba.
GDP. No, what's the gross domestic product? Then me as a development economist, they make say GDP as gross domestic product. That's what I say. It's the total summation of the wealth of the nation. And yes, sir. Okay, TME. Now, okay, say GDP represents the wealth of the nation, all the income of the nation. Now, otchere me. Say GDP has grown.
Commander Abawa,
GDP has grown. GDP has grown, no?
Yeah.
I say, let's say, Sika Sema Peja. And yes, sir. Now, Sika Sema Peja, ya Okopebesia.
David.
It is only in Africa that finance ministers and others do them.
Yeah.
But the body of ideas, the knowledge that Kwame Nkrumah left for us.
Okay.
And no, is the greatest thing that Kwame Nkrumah has left for humanity. And that is why, for me, I celebrate, I eulogize, I eat and drink Kwame Nkrumah. Because Otihona Ujwi Niema Papa na ye. Future na owo Emma Ghana, any African. Common currency, ono no kanye. One African command, ono no kanye. One central government, ono no kanye.
Okay.
And we have in Africa 34 different currencies. One African.
Yeah.
You have 34 different currencies. From Kwacha to Dalasi. From Dalasi to Cedi. From Cedi to Naira.
Bubruja. Eti osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ne legacy no was so reign what you say o paper history na enye ye o twist na enye ye no nti na no pa na make say ane no mahunu demonstration bi emmo number bia ye be ka say monko boban enti sa na tie enti me wo say honorable okoboy mo fa eno nto so na afei yen start conversation no ni fast aha me wo say mama ada one no we dey otimi say boys yi mo hwe na nkwa ya ba ako ni bia ye ko bi sa akwa ne say denti na ha wo say yes me mra demo na me ba na so anu amukwa demo no kwa no kwa no wonte ase ya asamo enti ye nsura wurehun na demonstration no na wo hwa wo screen no eso no we NPP for na wo mo de ahyehye so a wo mo kire se NDC aban hurehun omo enti omo ye demo ya chi aboronye omo ye demo nti eno ho asem no ono videos na etri omienu na mabo de ba kono mo ba bibi besi ho nyame ne yemboafo commander akwaba and that's who we late
and
there why late most important
like me
why
yes. And late in the no excuse to be any home because traffic na me tomu no yeah
Okuba say you should have known na ni brabre no.
Oh say regional chairman you know.
Sir. Oh okay.
Original chairman.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.